Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can zoom out on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your games and applications. If you go to the game library, here you're gonna find your installed apps. Right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to zoom out on the PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. First of all, you have to go to your settings. And then once you do that, here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your settings. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, system, storage, sound, screen and video, accessories, and so on. So go ahead and click on accessibility. And then once you do that, right here you're gonna find display and sound, screen reader, controllers, closed captions, chat, transcription. So go ahead and click on display and sound. And then once you do that, right here, the first option that you're gonna find is zoom. Go ahead and click on zoom, and then you can enable or disable zoom from here. Make sure you click on enable zoom. And then as you can see guys, right here in the bottom, this is the controls for the zoom. You can start a zoom adjustment by clicking on the PS button plus square. You can reset the zoom adjustment by clicking on circle. You can confirm the zoom adjustment by X, and you can move the display area. So I'm gonna show you guys an example. If you click on PlayStation Plus square, as you can see guys, this is how you can zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, just go ahead and click on circle and it will be zoomed out. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.